Vegas, huh?
Vegas?
Vegas.
Fantastic.
It's been way too long since I've been to Vegas, and I had 3 places on my list.
The Bellagio, the Mirage, and the MGM Grand.
But actually I was talking about something newer, Resorts World. This huge Hilton complex has 3 incredible hotels, the Hilton, the Conrad, and the luxurious Crockfords from LXR. We checked in at the LXR and let me tell you, traveling off-season has its perks, like scoring an amazing upgrade to a city view 1-bedroom suite on the 63rd floor. The room was amazing, a spacious living room with a coffee machine and plenty of extras just in case. Then there's the cozy bedroom where they even offer turn-down service every evening. And some unique perks, like a Theragun massage tool. I ended up buying one after the trip because it was just that good. And the bathroom, complete oasis. Plus, you've got a walk-in closet and even a second, smaller bathroom near the entrance. The view is absolutely stunning, especially in the morning when the city is covered in this magical fog. The hotel itself has 332 rooms, suites, villas, and even palaces, and it's located right on top of the Conrad and Hilton hotels. There are plenty of dining options and tons of space to explore. We spent our evening at the Allée Lounge on the 66th floor, an elegant bar with an amazing vibe and breathtaking views of the Strip. By the way, if you're looking to level up your stay with a $100 statement credit and daily breakfast vouchers, check out the link in the description below for all the details. Crockfords guests also get a nice touch in the morning, a little hidden spot in the main Crockfords lobby where you can grab a croissant, fruit and some coffee or tea. This area is separate from the combined Conrad and Crockfords check-in. And finally, the pool complex looked incredible. Unfortunately, the weather was a bit too cold for us to fully enjoy it, but we took a walk around. All hotel guests have access to the pool area, but if you're staying at Crockfords, you get extra privacy at the exclusive Cabana pool. I'll have to hit the casino next, while you enjoy another inspiring luxury destination.